Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign into Slack on your mobile device using a QR code. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. I've got my mobile device and you can see that on my desktop I have Slack opened up and I am in the channel that I would like to sign in with my mobile device. And on the left hand side you'll see the name of the channel. Go and click on the name of the channel, come down here and it says sign in on mobile. Go ahead and click on this and it'll give you a QR code. Now it gives you instructions. Open Slack on your mobile device from the home tab and swipe right. Tap add a workspace at the bottom of the panel and then tap sign into another workspace at the bottom of the list and then tap scan QR code. Now if you haven't yet got Slack on your device, you can go ahead, drop this down, use your code scanner here, go ahead, scan that and then say always allow, and here you'll see now it will automatically open up my Slack and it will connect to this workspace or this channel. It's quick and easy.